Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very branded now because my brother Vechain is completely in the loss. What we do, what's the price prediction, what's my friend the technical analysis. So let's start this brand video, but kindly hold your subscribe this channel. Please press the bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe and press the bell icon, like video also. This time my brother, the last 7 days chart, the last 24 hours, the last 1 hour, all change occurring will be negative now. Absolutely, the coin is completely falls down, so therefore the chain occur will also be negative. So my brother, the price of VeChain coin is 0.07 USD dollar in the same time. Absolutely, the price is very cheap now, but I hope my friend VeChain will give you a very huge profit, very good profit at the end of month. So let's see to what they do, but kindly hold your please, what's my opinion? Remember to I just give you advice, my brother, research personally, otherwise you completely lost now. So please research personally, my friend. This time 0.07 USD dollar is the latest weekend price, but after this prediction, absolutely you better understand to upcoming time till zero is a chance so they will move upward or not. Let's see, my brother. So as you can see, my brother, especially from last 1 week, my friend, this coin is completely falls down, and those days you can see, my friend, they take a short jump, short fail, absolutely, my friend. But absolutely, my friend, when they take a fail, so exactly after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I will tell you, my brothers, to the good time is coming soon now, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the future is going to be bright now, and they will give you very good profit now. So let's see to what they do, but kindly holders, my opinion is that, so please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be recovered now. Thanks for watching, see you next time.